Let me show you how to update your TCL Roku TV. Take your remote control, press the home button once. Then you're going to have this menu over here. Use the arrows on the remote control and the OK button to navigate. So go down, select settings, press OK. Over here, we're going to go down, select system, press OK. Go down and select software update. Right over here, select check now. Make sure your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi and it will search. It may take a few seconds. Wait, and if there is any update, it will tell you right here. If nothing is to be updated, you'll get this message, all software is up to date, press OK, and continue using your TV the way you were until there's an update available. This is it, very easy. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.